Starting your own business in Germany is an exciting challenge, but it can also be an expensive one. Fortunately, if you're planning to go freelance or start your own company, there's a great option to help you get started financially: the Gründungszuschuss or Startup Grant. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process of accessing the Gründungszuschuss so you can get the support needed to turn your business into reality. If you're in the early stages of your venture, this opportunity could make a real difference, so listen up. Hi, I'm Malte, co-founder of Viability. We support people like you in navigating the challenges of starting a business or advancing your career in Germany with coaching fully funded by the Agentur für Arbeit. If you're ready to take the next step, it's easy to get started. Just book a call and we'll guide you through the process. First things first, what exactly is the Gründungszuschuss? It's a government grant designed to support individuals starting a business in Germany. And this can be anything from your work as a freelance designer to a coffee store or tech startup. This grant provides financial assistance to help cover living expenses during the initial phase of your venture, offering a safety net as you establish your business. The Gründungszuschuss is not a loan. There's no repayment required. And it is not an equity investment. You don't have to pay back a share in the future if you are successful. Funded by the Agentur für Arbeit, Germany's unemployment office, it's specifically for those transitioning from unemployment to self-employment, whether as a freelancer or Gewerbe, GmbH or UG. If you qualify, it can provide vital financial support during those critical early stages. Now, let's talk about who is eligible to receive the Gründungszuschuss. There are a few key criteria that you will need to meet. First, you must be currently receiving unemployment benefits, specifically Arbeitslosengeld I or ALG1. This is a key requirement because, as I mentioned, the grant is designed to support those transitioning from unemployment to self-employment. There's a very similar grant for people who are receiving Bürgergeld, called Einstiegsgeld, but in this video we will focus on the Gründungszuschuss. Secondly, it's important to make sure you have at least 150 days of ALG1 remaining when you apply for the Gründungszuschuss. If you're unsure of the exact date when your unemployment benefits will end, your agent at the Agentur für Arbeit can provide you with the deadline for the application. Third, you'll also need to prove that your business idea is economically viable. Basically, the Agentur wants to be sure that your business can actually succeed in the long term. And finally, you must show that you have the necessary qualifications or skills for your business. This doesn't necessarily mean formal education, but it could be relevant work experience, specialized training, or other skills that demonstrate that you're capable of running the business you're proposing. Now that we covered the eligibility, let's get into the step-by-step process to apply for the Gründungszuschuss. Step 1. Consult with the Agentur für Arbeit. You'll need to schedule a meeting with your agent at the unemployment office to discuss your plans and to request the application form. Step 2. Create a business plan. This is the foundation of your application. Your business plan should show the financial feasibility of your business and outline how you'll generate income. Make sure to include details like market research, costs, and profit projections with a financial plan. You can find templates online through services such as the IHK. Viability also offers a free coaching service for this entire process, from creating the business plan to submitting the application. We supported over 1,000 founders and are here to help you at every step of the process. Take a look in the description to learn more. Step 3. You'll need to obtain an expert opinion known as Tragfähigkeitsbescheinigung, which validates your business plan. This document can be obtained from IHK, tax advisors, or specialized services. Step 4. Register your freelance business or company with the Finanzamt and request a tax number. To apply for the Gründungszuschuss, you'll need to submit proof that you've registered your business. Keep in mind that once you register, you'll no longer be considered unemployed and your benefits will end. So it's important to time the registration carefully. Ideally, it should be done shortly before you submit the application, and at Viability, we can support you in planning the timing. Now, onto the question you've probably been waiting for. How much money do you receive with the Gründungszuschuss? And for how long? If your application is successful, the grant will help you cover your living expenses for up to 6 months at the same rate as your ALG1 payments. with an additional tax-free payment of 300 euros per month to help with social security contributions, as you will have to cover health and social security contributions yourself. While receiving this grant, you'll be able to work freely on your business without any restrictions on your income. After the 6-month period is up, if your business is performing well, you can continue to receive support at a lower rate, around 300 euros per month, for an additional 9 months. Here are a few tips to make your Gründungszuschuss application stronger and give you the best chance of success. First, be thorough. Your business plan needs to be detailed and the costs have to be calculated realistically. The more comprehensive it is, the higher the chances of success. Don't skip over important details, especially when it comes to financial projections, including value-added tax calculations. Also make sure that you include the income from the Gründungszuschuss in your financial model. Otherwise, it looks like you wouldn't need it. Second, be honest. If there are any risks or uncertainties in your business, be upfront about them. The Agentur für Arbeit appreciates transparency. And finally, demonstrate your passion. Your enthusiasm for your business can make a big difference. Be prepared to explain why you're committed to your project and why it's the right time to launch this specific business. What happens after you apply? Once you've submitted your application, the Agentur für Arbeit will review it. This process can take some time, so be patient. If you're approved, congratulations! You'll start receiving the financial support and you can focus on launching your business and earning revenue with one less thing to worry about. At Fired Up, we've helped more than 1,000 clients navigate the Gründungszuschuss application process. Our success rate is 98%. From refining your business plan to preparing for your meeting with the Agentur für Arbeit, we are here to support you every step of the way. Our goal is to turn your ideas into a successful business that stands the test of time. So, if you're thinking about applying for the Gründungszuschuss, don't hesitate to reach out for personalized coaching. With the right support, you can make your business idea a reality. That's everything you need to know about receiving the Gründungszuschuss. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone who wants to go freelance or start their own business in Germany. If you meet the criteria, you should definitely consider applying. This grant can make a real difference in the early days of your business. If you have any questions or need help with the application process, reach out to us at Fired Up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.